so much to learn about. It'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey! It's me, Blippi! Whoa! And look at what it is! Whoa! It's an airplane! Today, I'm at Air at the Boeing Field in Seattle, Washington. And you and I are gonna learn about, airplanes. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Hey, let's learn the exterior parts of the airplane. Do you see this? This is the nose of the airplane. Do you know why it's called the nose? Yeah, because it looks like a nose. Oh. Hey, come over here. Oh, up here, those are the windscreens. They kind of look like windshields. Yeah, just like in cars. Whoa, so you don't get a bunch of bugs in your mouth. Ooh, check out down here. Whoa. Kind of looks like a wheel and a tire. Wait a second, that's because it is a wheel and a tire. This is the nose gear. This helps the airplane while it's on the ground. Whoa! This is the cabin entry door. Check it out. We can go inside. Hello? Hello? Okay. Whoa! Whoa, look down here. It's another landing gear. This is the main landing gear. Yeah, it's another wheel and a tire. And there's another one on the other side. Oh, and the windows! Look! That's where the passengers look out from. Hello! Hey, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, good job! Whoa, what is this? It's a wing! Whoa! Whoa! It's so long! Wow! And it's so shiny! Look! Hello! Hey! Oh! Ooh! Come back over here! Wow! That is the jet engine! Do you see it spin in a circle? Whoa! Around and around it goes! That's what provides the airplane with all of its power! Whoa! Come on! Whoa! And the main body of the aircraft is called a fuselage! Let's go to the back. Oh, wait. See that? That is the empennage. Yeah, the back of the aircraft. Ooh, and in here, there's a cargo compartment. You have to open up to just like this. Okay, here we go. Whoa. Oh, you can store a lot of bags in there. Whoa. Oh, and look up here. Wow. That is the horizontal stabilizer fin. That is the vertical stabilizer fin. It helps the aircraft be nice and stable in the air. Whoa! Ooh, another compartment. Wow. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Whoa! Check it out! A bunch of engine stuff. Whoa! So interesting. Hey, I have another compartment to show you. Whoa! Whoa! Look! Huh, what does this say? Fuel. 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 Oh, yeah! This is the fuel compartment. What? Oh, check it out. Yeah, that's where the fuel goes. Fuel is kind of like food or water to you and I. Whoa, it's what powers and provides fuel to the jet engine. Whoa! Whee! Whoa! This plane is pretty awesome! There are so many types of planes out there, like this one. This plane is a business plane, and it's a passenger plane. There's also leisure planes. They look pretty similar. There are agriculture planes. Whoa! There's also cargo planes. Whoa! They can hold a lot of cargo. Hey, yeah, seaplanes. Whoa! Seaplanes can land on land. Ooh, and military planes. Whoa! Whoa! Oh. There are so many types of planes out there. I love planes. Now, let's take a flight inside the airplane. Come on. This is gonna be so much fun. Ooh, watch your step. Come on. Whoa, check it out over here. Wow. This is the cockpit, and those are the pilots.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, let's take a seat. Whoa! Just like in a car, there's seat belts. Yep. First things first, safety first. You have to buckle up. Okay, this is gonna be so much fun. Whoa! This is cool. Hey, since we're not up in the air yet, let's go check out what the pilots are up to. Whoa, can you see? It's kind of like they're driving a car, but it's actually an airplane. Look! Now we're high in the sky, in the air. We're not touching the ground at all. Here, look. That's downtown Seattle. And I saw the Seattle Space Needle. Whoa! Wow! That was so much fun flying in this airplane. Hey, maybe next time you travel, you might be able to fly in an airplane. And don't worry, it's not scary. It's actually really safe. Just doing the airplane dance. Will you do the airplane dance with me? This is gonna be so much fun. Here, I'll teach you. First, you put up your arms like you're an airplane. Whoa! Whoa! And you dance when you hear the music. But when the music stops, don't move a muscle. Ready? sure do love acting like an airplane. So peaceful flying in the air. Whoa, it's like I'm a bird. Wait, no, I'm an airplane. Hey, how about we sing the airplane song?
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes are as big as a building, some are as small as a car.
That's amazing.
Some airplanes transport people, some fly near to the stars.
That's far.
Some airplanes fly with propellers, some airplanes fly with jet engines. I love to look up and see their wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Some airplanes can land on water, but most land on landing strips.
So versatile.
Some airplanes fly just for fun, some fly for business trips.
Business or pleasure.
You can make an airplane out of paper, throw it in the air and watch it go. I love to look up and see its wings waving down at me.
Hey, airplane.
Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high. Airplanes, airplanes, flying all around the sky. Airplanes, airplanes, flying way up high.
Woo! Let's go inside the airplane. Come on! Whoa! Wow! This airplane is so nice. Hey, look! It's a seat. Ready just for me. Safety first. You have to buckle up. Ooh! And check this out. Wow! It's like a desk where I can do all of my editing on. Oh, enough of that. I need some water. You have to always remember to hydrate. After a long day of playing, you need to drink a lot of water. Okay, let's put the desk back. Perfect. Ooh, check out back here. Check it out. It's a sink. Whoa, you can wash your hands right there. Woo-hoo. It's really important to keep your hands nice and clean. Ooh, and what's this? Ah, looks like a seat, but there's no seat belt. Huh. Whoa! We know what that is. Yeah, that's if you need to use the restroom when you're in the air. Whoa! Wow, I have an idea. Let's go check out the cockpit. Whoa, come on! Whoa! Whoa! This is a really tight squeeze. I don't think the Empire had Wookiees in mind when they designed this cockpit. Okay, anywho, first things first. Safety first. Let's buckle up. Okay. Lap belt secured. And then we need our headset. Hello? Can you hear me? Hey, yeah! Woo! Tower, tower! This is Pilot Blippi. We're ready for takeoff.
Okay, Pilot Blippi, you're good to go.
Yeah, good job. Okay, then you grab the yoke. Whoa, look! Both yokes move at the same time. Whee! Yokes are kind of like steering wheels in a car. Whoa, and look at all of this! There's so many cool gadgets and avionics and buttons. I'm not gonna touch them for now. Ooh, and the throttle! Ooh. Push that forward, and then that's when you go really fast! Whoa! Ooh. And once you're in the air, this is the landing gear. Pull that up, and then the wheels and tires go inside the aircraft. Whoa! Airplanes are so cool. Hello! Whoa! That was so much fun learning about airplanes with you. Well, I should probably get going now. This is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi, good job. Thank you so much to Air and Air. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, so much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!